Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are solving the OTT4. So in this, let's start with the scenario. And there is one thing that I would like to say before we start. It's that I use tool that, when there is no starting point to start. I'm not sure if I have said it before, but going into rabbit hole sometimes gives a good hints or good amount of knowledge. So I would say rely less on tool until unless it is like really optimizing your work, but R&D can keep your research alive or maybe energetic. So with that, let's get started with the box and the scenario. So here we have a Sherlocks scenario. Printers are important in the Centaur's workshop, but we haven't really tried to secure them. Okay, so there are some open printers. Got it? The Grinch and his team of elite hacker may try and use this against us. Okay, please investigate using the packet capture provided. The printer server IP is 192.168.68.128. Okay, I guess we got a starting point, and let's open the Obsidian, and there we go. I already have all the questions here, and I've also downloaded the box already. So let's do ls, and there we go. We have a pcap file which is a Wireshark file. Let's open it with the Wireshark. There we go. Let's open it, and we can close this and this, as we'll be looking into this only. So first, like, we already have the printer server IPs, or not IPs but IP. This is the IP which we got from the description, and we are going to add this IP in the search filter. Let's add that. IP.addr is equal to this, and enter, and there we go. So let's check the conversation which happened in between these, and this is a TCP conversation, and this is the only conversation that happened over here. So let's filter it out. Apply filter, selected any conversation A to B or B to A, and close it. So was the first question asked over here. The performance of the network printer server has become sluggish, causing interruption in the workflow at North Pole workshop. Okay, Santa has directed us to generate a support request and examine the network data to pinpoint the source of the issue. He suspects that the Grinch and his group may be involved in this situation. Could you verify if there is any IP that is sending an exclusive amount of traffic to the printer server? So let's go back to the conversation back, and there we have it. Let's dip it a bit. So this is the IP address where the conversation is happening from this to this, or vice versa. And if you see over here, these are the total packets in this conversation, 536. So let's add the IP over here. The IP is 172.17.79.133, and let's add the POC. Copy and paste it here. There we go. So here we got the first answer, and let's check what sort of conversation happened so far. There's a TCP, ICMP, TCP connection. There's again ICMP. There's a TCP. Okay, so the whole conversation is between these two protocols, I believe. And next question is, Bisparkle, being the technical lead, found trace of port scanning. Got it. From the same IP identified in previous attack. Okay, which port was then targeted for initial compromise of the printer? Let's check back over here. Is there anything related to ports? There we have it, destination and port. And if we see here, display filter, let's apply the IP 172.17.79.133. Enter. Okay, so no filter. Let's try in the TCP stream graph, I believe. Okay, so there's no TCP stream graph. In the conversation, is there anything related to the ports? Over here, there we have the ports, port A to port B. Let's check it. So there we have these conversations. The port 21 is for FTP, port 22 is for the SSH, 80 is for the HTTP, 443 HTTPS. Let's check what's for 88 and 139 over here. Let's find 88. It's the Kerberos. Port 139, it's NetBIOS session service. Okay, and the next one is 445. That's an SMB. Okay, and what about the 8000 port? That's a internet radio. Okay, and 8080, that's a web proxy, and this also get used by the Cloudflare sometime, or maybe all the time. And what about the 9100? And there we have it. So if you see, and you guys can Google also, so we got the answer over here. Port 9100 port is getting used for the printer. So this is the one that we are looking for. Let's capture it and put it here. The port is 9100. Enter and paste. And the next one is, what's the full name of a printer running on the server? So for this, what we can do is apply filter on this, selected, and this. There we have the TCP port. Let's close it. We don't want to include any port here. Let's remove. And now they're asking what's the full name of printer running on the server. And for that, I think this is the one. And if you guys know how Wireshark work, it's work on the basis on the layers. Let me show you. OSI model layers. Let's open this one. Let's open the Cloudflare. So here you guys can see. Let's zoom it a bit close. So the first request, this one, it's a physical layer request. The second is data link layer. This is from the data link layer, and the third one is the network layer. This is the internet protocol, which is from the network layer. And then the transport layer, this is a transport layer, and the transmission control protocol. So this is how the Wireshark give us a result. Let's zoom it out, close, and go back. In the physical layer, it must be containing the name of the printer. I hope device this. We don't have the exact name though. Let's check in the transmission. This is a Windows. Flag won't be containing anything. TCP information. These are the timestamps. Let's check the flow. Okay, we got nothing. Let's check flow for only the IP. TCP port. What was the port number again? Let's open it back. It was 9100. Enter, and there we have it. Let's check the flow. Okay, so it's empty again. I want the TCP port flow over here. Let's check it. TCP stream graph, I guess. Throughput, nothing here. Let's check for this one, the TCP stream. Again, not this one. Let's go back in the conversation. We might be able to see the streams here in the TCP, and there we have it, the stream IDs. Let's filter it out as per the packets, and we have this one, and this one. Let's filter it out as per the stream IDs. Okay, in the 15 we wasn't able to catch much. On the 27 there doesn't seems to be much longer conversation. On the 28 this might give us some good content. Let's apply the filter on the stream ID. There we go, and we'll open it here there we go, and there we have the content. So what's they're asking, what's the full name of printer running on the server? So if you see here, there we have the printer name. Let's copy this and paste it here. Next we'll put the POC along with the filter we have used, and we'll highlight it. There we go, and we also highlight the stream and here too. Let's copy and paste it here. Now what's the next one is, Grinch intercepted a list of nice and naughty child created by Santa. Okay, what was the name of second child on the nice list? Okay, so I'm not sure if this stream will be containing that data, but let's check. Keep scrolling. There we have it. Christmas, nice kids, entry 1. I guess it start from here, and if you see, this is where it enter the directory. One entry, and over here he found the Christmas 2023, and over here he tried to echo the content, and there we have it. Naughty kid type there, nice kid, and next. Okay, so I'm not sure if this stream will be containing that data, but let's check. Keep scrolling. There we have it. Christmas, nice kids, entry 1. Yeah, it start from here, and if you see, this is where it enter the directory. One entry, and over here he found the Christmas 2023, and over here he tried to echo the content, and there we have it. Naughty kid type there, nice kid, and next. Over here he tried to go into all the directories, and he found the list1.txt file, and here he's trying to open it, and there we go. We found the list of childs, and we have the second name, Douglas Price, and let's put the name here and put the POC. Let's take the screenshot. There we have it, and highlight the stuff with the path to from where we got the file, names of the children, and copy this and paste it here. We have added some comments. And what's the next one? Grinch obtained a printer job instruction file intended for a printer used by an employee. Okay, so let's check. Name Delphine, the first one from the first box. It appears that Santa and the North Pole management team have made the decision to dismiss Delphine. Could you please provide the word for word rationale behind the decision to terminate Delphine's employment? Got it. Let's try and look here. It should be something related to the some sort of folder or something, like some file which will get printed. There we have the saved job. Let's keep scrolling down. There's a keep job, another directory. There we can see that there's an in progress layoff notice and the personal notice employed .pcl. Let's keep scrolling, and there we go. I think we found the one content, and there's a reason for the layoff. The rest employees confirmed to be working with the Grinch and the team according to the clause 69. This calls for an immediate expulsion, and the file name is Merry Christmas job. Perform from feed to eject the page. So that's another printer command which got performed. Let's capture this and highlight this and put the POC along with the answer, copy and paste. And let's go to the next question. What was the name of the scheduled print job? So as we can see, we didn't find anything related to that, but let's try and search with the job keyword. There's two, save job. I don't think this is related to that. Okay, so let's try and check for the other stream. Let's filter back with the ports, the only port. Let's open conversation from here. We'll filter it back and check for the next conversation or the stream ID. Next one is 46. Let's open this, and there we go. Let's open the TCP stream. Over here we can see for the job. Let's try to find job. There's a scheduled job. Let's check it below. There should be a name. There is a file announcement -25 December, and there we go. We got the job name. It's a Merry Christmas plus bonus announcement. Let's paste it here, and we'll put the POC too. Let's capture this and highlight other stuff. There we go, and paste. Was the next one? Amidst our ongoing analysis of the current packet capture, the situation has escalated alarmingly. Our security system has detected sign of post-exploitation activities on a highly critical server, which was supposed to be secure with SSH key only access. Okay, this development has raised serious concern within the security team. While BitSparkle is investigating the breach, he speculated that this security incident might be connected to the earlier printer issue. Could you determine and provide the complete path of the file on the printer server that enable the Grinch to literal move to this critical server? Okay, so let's go back to the Kali. Let's start looking for the SSH key as they have mentioned it in the comment. Not the comment, but in the question. And there we have it, the SSH key. Let's copy the path and paste the POC by highlighting some stuff. Just copy this and paste it, and there we go. The next question, what's the size of the file? Okay, so for the size of the file, we don't have to check anywhere else because it was already with the file size. So we put it that. What was the host name also? Let's check that too. And there we go. We have it's in the same file. This is a Christmas gift. Let's put it there and mention the same. Fix this one, and we'll mention the size is equal to, because this was a parameter in the file, and over here we'll put it in the comment, and let's paste the comment too, and there we go, and there we have it. And the last question, when did the Grinch attempt to delete a file from the printer? Okay, it should be in this file or maybe in the another one, because there doesn't seems to be any command related to that, because all of these are fs delist. Let's try to search for delete. There seems to be none. Let me show you how I found that and set that. Or before that, let's check into the another stream ID. If there is anything related to that, go back to the port and we'll open the another stream ID, and it's going to be the 71 this time. And if you have already used it, you guys know how this works. Let's check the stream data. There we go. Scroll bit, and there we found the key, and there is a fs list. We didn't see anything related to delete. Let me show you why I'm saying fs list, or not list but fs delete. Let me take you guys directly to the file which is regarding PJL, which is a printer job language. Let me show you that. There we go. If we check for the PGL responses, let's open this file. Okay, it didn't open. And there we go. So if let's search for the PS dir list. We have fs dir list, and there we can see list pj file system file and directories. And there we have fs delete, which is used to mass delete the file. And there we go. We got the fs delete. This is where we try to delete the key. And if you guys see, when we clicked on that, it automatically took us to the actual timestamp when that got triggered. Let's copy it from here. I don't think we can copy it. Let's click the drop down and we'll copy the value from here. As you can see, you guys can see that there's a UTC arrival. Copy this and paste it here. We don't need the other stuff. We just need the date and time. Let's shut down everything and put it into a different page and fix the format 2023 12 and 03. And for the time, we'll copy from here, paste. Let's start and add the tool first. We use the Wireshark. Let's go down and we'll start answering the question now. For the first one, this is the only IP we found. Just provide it. There we go. And the port, as you guys can see, used for print to certain network printers. Provide that. Next, the running printer. And next, the children name, Douglas Price. Next one is the whole statement we found. And next, the file which was in scheduled job. And for the next one, we provide the path of the key. And for the next one, same, we found the size over there. So let's copy and paste. Same for the next one. We found what was the host name, which was a Christmas.gifts. Let's paste it here. And for the last one, the time we got it, let's paste this here. And there we go. With this, we have completed the OTT4. We'll try to complete the OTT5 before the new year. So those who have joined me so far, thanks for the support. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will try to complete it OTT5 before the end of the year. Thank you.